this is Mark, your money plan coach, and look at this. We are almost done with the basic input entry for the money decoder. Let's just get this going real quick here today, and we'll move you forward to the next step. So, as always, medical insurance, as always, add a new row and make a choice here. We'll say that George is the one that is the primary insured on this medical insurance policy we're putting in. Let's say he pays $500 a month. Yeah, fat chance these days, huh? Used to be like that. Let's say the annual out-of-pocket for the family is $10,000. Meaning if multiple people got sick and needed medical care, that would be the maximum out-of-pocket. You should check your policy or call them up, and just easy way to fill this out is call up your medical insurance provider and just ask them all these questions and go through it. Will take no more than 5 minutes or 10 at the most. Annual deductible, let's say it's a $5,000 deductible that you've got to pay before your insurance company pays any money. You can put your plan name here, lifetime maximum, maybe it's $1 million, maybe it's unlimited. Office visits, how much do you pay if you got to go to the doctor's office? How much you pay for professional services, which is usually a more specific medical professional? How much you pay for hospital inpatient stays? Energies, let's see here, let's put in some numbers here. Let's say it's $250 for this. This might be like a chiropractor too, or a masseuse. Emergency services. Some of the policies, everything's covered here, and if you have your HMO, a lot of this stuff is covered for nothing. But other policies have more specific expense requirements on your part for each type of service. So it's good to know that in advance so you can plan appropriately and know what's going to happen. Once you click save, maternity coverage, is there an extra amount that you have to pay for that? Pap smears, mammograms, ambulances. So all you got to do here is really put in your information. The key, though, to be honest with you, just to tell you a little trick, you got to put a premium in here, and you got to put at least one person on here. Usually just one is fine. If the whole family is covered under one individual, put their name in. That's perfectly sufficient. And the premium and this stuff is all really helpful, handy stuff to have at your side. So every time you got to go to the doctor, you don't have to call your insurer up or ask the doctor, well, is this covered, is it not covered? If you put it in one time, it'll save you hours and hours of time over your life. But you know what? It's really that simple. This is all information for your benefit. This is the primary need on this page, and you are done with medical insurance. If there is a second policy you're paying for, maybe two people are covered under different policies, you can put that information in too, and whatever the information is for that policy. Otherwise, that's all there is to the medical insurance, and we can move forward now to this last decisions page. Aren't you excited? I am. All right, we'll see you next time. Have a great day. Take care.